Hello, we present our paper named DirecFormer, a directed attention and transformer approach to robust action recognition. The research has been conducted in the collaboration between University of Arkansas, Concordia University, University of Wollongong, and West Virginia University. This work has been supported by National Science Foundation and Arkansas Biosciences Institute. The goal of action recognition is to predict an action from a video in which the video frames are in the correct order. However, in our work, there are two research questions that need to be addressed to illustrate the robustness of the action recognition model to temporal information. First, if the model is given a set of video frames shuffled in a random order, will the action recognition model classify the video with shuffled frames as the same label as the original result? Second, will the action recognition model be able to correct the incorrectly ordered frames to the right one and provide an accurate prediction of action? Addressing these two questions results in our four main contributions. First, we introduce a novel directed attention mechanism and transformer that exploit the direction of attention over the temporal and spatial dimensions. Second, the novel self-supervised approach for temporal learn is presented to let the action recognition model be able to learn and recover the correct orders of a video. Third, we present a novel self-supervised guided loss to enhance the directed learning capability of the directed temporal attention. Fourth, our proposed approach has been evaluated and achieved the state-of-the-art performance on standard benchmarks of action recognition. In our proposed approach, given video frames represented as patches, these patches are into DirecFormer to predict the action and order of video frames. Our DirecFormer is designed a composition of transformer encoders in which the directed attention is factorized into directed attention over temporal and spatial dimensions. In prior approaches, the traditional softmax attention cannot fully exploit the ordering of video frames because it does not contain the directional information of the correlation. Therefore, instead of using softmax attention, we introduced a novel the directed temporal attention that consider both direction and magnitude of the attention over the time dimension so that our approach allows to enhance the capability of learning temporal information. Similarly, directed attention is also applied over the spatial dimension to enhance the capability of spatial learning. Then, given a video with the correct frame order and its label, our classification task of DirecFormer is learned by the cross-entropy loss. Next, we shuffle the video frames and let the model learn to correct the order of video. Finally, the self-supervised guided loss helps to enhance the temporal learning capability. We conduct the ablation study to evaluate our proposed DirecFormer on the Jester dataset. We evaluate our model with different types of attention mechanism over the temporal and spatial dimension and the effectiveness of our proposed losses. In particular, we consider the effectiveness of ordering loss and self-supervised loss, as shown in the experimental results. With our proposed directed attention mechanism and the self-supervised loss, we improve the performance of our action recognition model on the Jester dataset. We also compare our results with prior approaches and we achieve state-of-the-art performance. We conduct an ablative experiment to illustrate the frame order correction ability of our proposed model. We have evaluated our models with different attention mechanisms and proposed losses. As shown in our experiments, our proposed approach achieves the best performance in correcting the order of shuffled video frames. To further confirm the performance of our proposed approach, we evaluate our DirecFormer with different attention mechanism on the large-scale something-something dataset. We have achieved the state-of-the-art performance compared to prior approaches. Also, we evaluate our proposed DirecFormer with different configs of attention mechanism on the Kinetics-400. Our proposed DirecFormer achieves the state-of-the-art performance compared to other approaches. Here are some video demo. Thank you for watching.